All right. Hello. This is assignment number 6 for our graphics class. The goal of this assignment was, if I want to pull up the picture, was just basically get rid. Um, we have these bold lines, and they would go across all of these lines that we see in between the triangles. So it wasn't like smoothed or blended in. And this is the final product picture, so it's not exactly how it looked before. But as we can see here, it doesn't have any bold lines in between the triangles, and it goes kind of like shading. We attempted to make it more smoothed out, the color change, but due to like a time crunch, we were not able to. So this is the final product that we came up with, removing the bold lines that we have. And our code is, there isn't a lot of code to create this and fix this up. Um, there's something up here that our teammate worked on, but I'll let him get to that. There is this right here that our teammate worked on, and there is what I worked on. That's not to say that we didn't all like work on it together. No, we talked with each other and try to come up with a solution together. So it's not just me like working on this, not just our teammates just working on this. It's like all of us together come come together and to discuss the game plan for how we should get this done. Um, but this code right here, as we can see from this comment, render the outline only if the angle exceeds the threshold, which is 90 degrees. And that works here because, as we can see, the bold line only appears at that far angle. So all of these over here, that's not at this threshold, exceeds the threshold of 90 degrees. So if the angle is not greater than 90 degrees, then we can embolden it and leave this right here just without any of the bold edges that we see at the very edges of the sphere. So if the angle is less than 90, we have a for loop right here for I equals 3, because we have the faces of the triangles, we have the vertex index, we have face I times 3, and if vertex index is less than 0, or if the vertex index is greater than or equal to model vertice size, then it will uh, do this command right here. This is already pre-given code, so I won't get into that. But this just basically sets up the how it should end up looking if the angle is less than 90 degrees. Then it goes with the regular commands that we have from before. If not, it will just run through this right here. Excuse me, it will run through it if it meets the requirements for this right here. If not, um, then that's how we got the finished product. Everything worked together. The bold lines only appeared at the very edges at that when it was a greater angle than 90 degrees. But while we go inside, then the angle becomes much smaller. Then we're able to see how that the bold lines just do not appear here, and it shows the actual shading, and you can see how it's much more smoother and much more realistic looking without the bold lines. Unfortunately, I do not have the source code up and running. I'm on my other computer, um, because my laptop is getting maintenance done, and the assignment is due tonight at 12, and it is 11:17. So I'm taking this time to do it on here. So forgive me for that. But that is basically the finished product for assignment number 6. Thank you very much.